Okay, let's look at how to create an operations guide from scratch. So let's imagine you've been asked to do so, not quite sure where to begin, so you download a template like this, say from the Klariti website, and that gives you a lot of structure as regards what you need to put into a generic template, so to speak. However, there's a few gaps with this, and primarily it's to do with the fact that you need to update it so that it reflects your own specific requirements for your company. And to that end, what we've done is create a prompt library, which is over 70 different prompts, which you can use and put those into an LLM. We've also created some Excel spreadsheets you can use to complement the Word side of things, and you can use those. In addition to this, we have a primer, and effectively what that does is it'll walk you through the actual process of using the prompts in the spreadsheet itself. So it's very specific, and it goes through writing simple, advanced and complex prompts, and gives you examples of each of those. So you can take the prompt, adjust it accordingly and put it into the AI tool itself. I think you'll find it quite useful. It's a good primer if you're not used to writing prompts, and will get you up and running quite quickly. So what we're going to do next is going to switch over to the Excel spreadsheet and walk through one or two of the prompts. So we're going to look at section 2, system overview. It's a basic prompt. We're going to take this, make one or two small adjustments to it, for example put in your company name, and we're going to pop it into Google Gemini. For example, you can see what the output is. It's quite good. However, I want to tidy it up and remove the emoticons and those returns between each of the sections. So just ask it to update it accordingly. Part of the reason I recommend using Google Gemini is that you can export the prompt itself to either Google Sheets or to Google Docs. So it's a very nice way to have a nice connection between the LLM model and Google tools, which are very convenient. You can also export these directly to Microsoft Excel or to Microsoft Word. So a lot of benefits to using Google Gemini you mightn't be aware of. What we have here is the output shown in Google Docs, and you could, if you wanted to, save this as a Microsoft Word document, or just copy and paste it directly into Klariti's template. Or alternatively, you can copy it here from the response itself, find the section you've just worked on, which was say 2.0, and pop it in, double check it, and you can see it already retains all the formatting. The tables are there, the bullet list is there, even the headings are correctly applied. So it's a great little time saver. Take a look at this. This is a list of all the different templates you get on the product over on the Klariti site. If you want to find them and download those, zip over to Klariti. You can find it through Google, or you can go straight to klariti.com and download directly from the website over there. Likewise, any questions about writing operations guides or using AI prompts, let me know below. Thanks a million.